just picked up at Home Depot today a multi-purpose wireless inspection camera. So I'll show you guys the unit a little bit here. So this piece comes off of here, and that's wireless. So we're going to turn that on, and then there's a switch underneath that turns this way. You can see it has a light, so when it's inside the wall or when you're behind something, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go into the wall here. And you could actually see the fire stop right above. Right there. There's the fire stop. There it is right there. So we got a fire stop in the wall. Okay. So I don't know, you could use this for many different things. It says here, I mean on the back, that you could use it for check lights around between the belt and the engine of your car. Check brake pads without taking the wheels off. Locate leaks, cracks, lights. It basically it's for anything you know tight to get behind. So I think it's awesome. So $100. That's what it is. Thanks for watching. Okay. The unit itself takes 4 AA batteries. The gun. Okay. The monitor itself actually gets powered up right here. So you could charge that overnight. You could actually rotate the image. Right here, if I could show you, it actually rotates. It also has a video output. If you wanted to hook it up to a bigger screen on TV or get a bigger image. For the money, it's pretty good.